Hi, this is Sai Morton with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts, and important levels on the forexpsummit.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit forexpsummit.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody, guys. Today finally we could take a look at the euro currency. So as you can see, last week our suggestion in daily video was that the market shows the behavior that barely coincides with the idea of the possible retracement, but mostly market should continue move higher, especially because it has a completed target above the market. So yesterday, as you know, the non-farm payrolls was rather poor, so this was the supportive factor for euro, and see that the price action indeed is continuing moving higher, but at the same time we could say that probably it's not yet reached the target, so probably it should continue move slightly higher, and based on the momentum that market right now has as a result of the non-farm payrolls, so this probably will support the upward action for a couple of sessions. But at the same time, the smell of retracement is already here, and it is really probable that next week we could get some relief, some bounce down. So the most probable target of this retracement will be area around nearest fib levels, 111.30, and take a look. This will be untested yet the weekly pivot point. So sorry, monthly pivot point, so pivot for the June. And in general, it's better to say about the area, so that is 110.50, 111, because you know that euro currency likes to show 50% retracements, and also this will be take a look at this daily result. So that's the most probable destination of retracement, if of course we will get any on the next week. But if it will start, that's the most probable area the market should reach in the result of this bounce. So speaking of the upward action, guys, here market will meet the resistance. That's the first is the completion of our long-term A, B, bottom 1618 target. It's around 1280. Also, this will be yearly pivot resistance 113.05 area. But intraday charts, guys, shows mostly that market even could show a bit even strong action, so somewhere around to the 113.35, 113.40 area. That's probably will become the destination point. Also, guys, interesting moment. Take a look that here we have the candle of the Donald Trump election. It was really dramatic session, as you can see, and market standing right around its top. So probably its top should be taken out also. So be important. So in other words, this area that we will be watching for on the coming week. On the intraday charts, guys, speaking to the on practical application of the charts that we right now are discussing. So here's our triangle that has been broken, and we said that market's forming the bottom line. So on the result of the non-farm payrolls release, market has completed 127 extension of this bottom line. But take a look, and here we have the thrusting candle to the upside. Result of the data release. On the hourly chart, you could see it even better. You can see very fast action. And the common practice of the butterfly trading tells that if you see such sort of the action, this acceleration right to the 127 target, it means sooner or later, probably sooner, market should continue action to the 1618 target. And this significantly increased chances that butterfly will be not 127 but 1618. Also, take a look, the 1618 will coincide with the weekly pivot resistance one. That being said, if you're searching chance to go short here, do not take the position until market will not hit the 113.35 area, until it will complete this butterfly. And the second moment, this practical moment that we have for trading on the common week, guys, actually it seems that the 4-hour time frame chart will be our major time frame for trading. And the second issue that we have here, guys, it really could become the hand shoulders, because when you have the butterfly, and it approaching to the major destination point on the daily chart with strong resistance, some important targets, and you think that retracement should happen when the situation is creating on the market and you see the butterfly, it's very big chances that you will get in result the head and shoulders, because the butterflies very often becomes the first half of the head and shoulders pattern. Mostly because its ratio is 1:6:1. It is typical for the head and shoulders. So you know that the shoulder usually stands at 1:6:1 to the head, vice versa. So the head stands 1:6:1 to the shoulder. So that being said, in this coming week we will be watching for two moments. The first one is the completion of the 1:6:18 target of the butterfly. It's around 1:13:35 area and reaching of them. Weekly pivot resistance one on daily chart that will be testing on the yearly pivot point. Second, we will be watching for a hand shoulders pattern appearing that could trigger the downward retracement on the euro currency. Retracement actually currently is reasonable because currently, guys, the commitment of traders report shows that market a bit overextended to the upside. Within the couple of weeks, we will get the Fed meeting, and the recent rally was really significant. A lot of important events have happened in Europe. So investors could turn to some profit taking. This is normal. Summertime again is coming, so it's in general fundamental backgrounds also exist for this possible temporal relief that we could get in euro currency. That's why first, as I said, we'll be watching for a butterfly. Second, for hand shoulders, but we also could try to trade the butterfly directly. So this is the also isolated pattern that we could trade, and if after that we also will get the hand shoulders, it will be much better. So that's what we'll be watching for in coming week. Let's see what progress we will get.